Simon anitumela ngapshe inda. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to my Be Ready With Me, guys. So here we're rocking blue, red, and white. Yeah, and obviously it's Vela says because why? We're not about to be naked on the internet. But this outfit gave me inking because the top, a crop top from a two-piece. I understand, eh? My crop topping now is because of a two-piece. I would see, I understand. And then, manje, the problem, I didn't want to wear a belt. But I had to keep pulling the top down like every second. And the belt made it better. Maybe I should have explained that when. It's like, vera lang bande kona mara. Hey, young stressa cool, but I was happy. My results, yeah, and I could have maybe worn black underneath the top layer red. Mara, I think it was wet or something. Yeah, but there was a reason why I go lang zamuk faster because I'm trying to make myself feel better with this thing is anglingana, yabo. Can't. No. My ribs were like, girl, what you doing? What's happening? We can't breathe. Free us, please. One thing about me, honey, iphefumuzi angizoyifuta shem. Ngifuna ukuyifutela ukuthi kuno 24 hours in a day ne. Ngifutele nokuthi nje ngoba iphefumuzi, understand? Bese ngifutela ukuthi ngifuna ngiyizwe mina, ingubo zami ziyizwe, and maybe the other people don't understand. Yeah. I wonder if it was possible until it speaks. It's like, girl, I'm here. Ah! Wona ukrewa muvela. Kusekulokho enyuka ngoba ama fabrics lawo too ashy bleak. So, that was not helping as well. Hey. Mara umuntu uyafosta in life. Siphila sifosela mara ku right ukufosela izinto ezisebenzayo. Understand thini kuwena? Wangithola. But anywho, I thought of, because I had another red top, but the fabric wasn't like this and it was just gonna change the look. But I think it was the same shade of red. I just, yabo. And I felt like, no, man, fan looking keep. Yabona izinto ezitighty and umuntu ochapi. Fana lokhu khumula manje uyafaka manje. Now you're sweating for no reason. Keep it skip. Yo, as in. I felt like, you know what, let me make it work. It's not like and stuff, honestly. Oh, but I was happy. I was wearing a ngiphinda outfit so because of the top. Young super le top shem. Next time, me repeat and James will go the other red top. Ibande shem helped a lot because lalukwazi ukuyibamba I top yabo. Uyabona nje uthi akusanyakazi kakhulu noma kusazonyakaza, but I understand sengikwazi ukufocus on other things in this life. I'm giving office, but I'm also giving birthday party. I'm also giving, dinner. I'm also giving, I'm giving everything that I should give. And ki happy. Oh, girl, marumuhle. Ayu muhle ngaleka ikha. Awu. Washo lumfana wathi uNkulunkulu uyada. Uyadala uNkulunkulu. Awubheke nje. What a confidence booster. What a gorgeous girl.